In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated notifications. If you're tired of missing updates or manually pinging teammates, this walkthrough will help you create simple, reliable automations that keep everyone in the loop. First, decide where your automation should live. Automations can be set at the space, folder, or list level, and that choice matters. Space level automations apply broadly across many items. Folder level covers a specific group of lists, and list level keeps things focused on one workflow. Pick the level that matches how widely you want notifications to go out. Next, navigate to the specific list, folder, or space where you want to automate notifications. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Automate button, which looks like a lightning bolt icon. This opens the automation builder. Then click the plus Add Automation button to start from a clean slate. Now set up your trigger. This is what kicks off the notification. A common example is when status changes, which is great for keeping stakeholders updated as tasks move from in progress to review or done. Choose the trigger that matches the moment you want people to be notified. You can refine the automation with optional conditions. For instance, you might want the rule to run only if Assignee is a specific teammate, or only for certain priorities. Conditions help avoid noise by sending alerts to the right people at the right times. Next, choose the action that actually notifies your team. Add. Comment is perfect for quick, visible updates. Use the ito symbol to mention individuals or teams, like "Team, please review this task," so the right people get an instant alert. If you prefer email, select Send Email to notify team members or external stakeholders who may not live inside the app every day. Or choose Change Assignee to automatically hand off work, which also ensures the new owner is notified immediately. By the way, if you're setting this up for the first time, you'll find a download link or website link for this platform at the very top of the description, so you can jump in quickly on desktop or mobile. When you're satisfied with the trigger, any conditions and the action, click Create. That's it. You now have an automation that sends the right notification at the right moment, without manual effort. If you ever need to adjust it, just return to the same Automate area to edit or pause the rule. Thanks for watching.